Hello fellow traders, this is Paul Lummel. Got another stock here. This is a really strong setup from a technical perspective. This is one of those, you probably got to look under the hood at the realities of the fundamentals, just because this one had gone so far so fast on the left hand side of this. Sometimes it can head fake on the breakout, but we'll find out pretty soon whether the PBC zone has the right kind of pattern quality on its pullback. But right now we're getting a breakout of that left-hand cup high, and stellar price action in a cup, and we'll break down the cycles when we get back. But first, before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Really helps us reach more traders like you and keeps you updated on our latest trading tips. Also, we're looking for talent, maybe someone who's not locked into their own way of trading and is open to exploring a new outside-the-box form of cycle-based trading, which we use to swing trade equities and day trade indexes, SPY, QQQ, and futures. If you have any interest in that, DM me through our social media or email me at paul@bitcoinertradingclub.com and I'll give you more information. Okay, taking a quick peek at the market rating. We're still at A+. We've been maintaining that for a few months now. Excellent price action on the index and probably break into some new highs soon. So A+, based on A5. You can find out more about the market rating at bitcoinertradingclub.club/market-rating. Okay, breaking down the cycles on this, you can see the price squeeze setting up very clearly at a TM1 cycle. It was your first cycle off of the left-hand cup high with 6 BMI, vector 1 on the left-hand side. And so you had your second cycle, TM2 cycle, 3.5-month cycle in May. And you see you already have the price squeeze coming in from cycle 1 to cycle 2. And then when you get the TM3 set, that's the 5 to 7-month cycle. You definitely have another price squeeze coming off of the lows, the pullback higher lows. So you got price squeezing coming in. So basically on the breakout to the TM3 set, we were close to that $50 PPP and came back to the $35 PPP to test that before heading back out of there. So what we're at right now is probably going to be a PBC zone, potential retest of 50. I don't think it'll pull back that deep, but you never know. Again, price action is stellar. I'm a little bit suspicious of the stock itself for a multitude of reasons, but you need to do your own research on it. Price-wise, it's acting great. So the score is good, etc. But when I see a big move like this, and I don't see enough months in that cup, this is a 6 BMI move. A lot of times you get a very extended consolidation, PBC zone consolidation, but can't argue with the price action. You go with what the price action's showing you. You got a TY-2. It's a 3.5-year cycle off of the IPO highs back in 2021. So, basically got to get out of your head about stuff like this. Price action saying it's going somewhere, and just go with the flow. Right now, we would need a really good solid PBC zone to confirm the potential for this. It may not pause long enough for that. It definitely has good price action on a breakout so far. But we'll keep a close eye on it. When we get back, we'll break down some price targets based on cycles. If you're unfamiliar with any of the trading terms I'm using, you can find our club lingo at bitcoinertradingclub.club/lingo. Okay, looking at some cycle-based price targets. We have a TM3 cycle off the low. It's a 5 to 7-month cycle. North channel is around $70. If you caught it down here, you had a pretty good run at that north channel. You have close to 100% gain. But since we're just catching on the breakout, we're going to have to make our money on the extensions of the channel. So the first extension is a TM3X around $120. That would be close to 100% if we hit that. And if we can get up to the 2X of the channel, let's look at that line there. It's around $160. That would be about 150% plus if it hit that. So, really good stellar price action right now. Again, I want to see the PBC zone form, but we may or may not get a good solid pullback on that. Just really strong setup cycle-wise. So, so far looking pretty good. We'll keep an eye on it for the PBC zone formation. And again, the stock is IONQ Ionq Inc. It's a quantum computing stock. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtrading.com. Hope you enjoyed the video.